Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade this 9-inch monochrome CRT to our sunlight readable LCD retrofit LCD displays. This CNC unit control unit is made by Hurco. The model is Ultimax SSM. So our part number is also a Ultimax-SSM-OP. To replace to swap the monitor is quite easy because our replacement also including one of these wire adapters, and then you can basically just remove the CRT back and put it back the same place, same location. All this mounting bracket and bolt bracket is the same distance. So on next video I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is the back of that Ultimax SSM controller, and there's 1, 3, 8 screws total, and holding the back plate. I'm going to remove it. It's using an Allen wrench. So I just took out the screws. As you can see, the CRTs, there's 2 screws on the top. I mean, on each side there's 2. Let me see if you can see or not. I'm going to put my camera inside. Okay. So you see the 2 screws on this side and 2 screws on this side. This is a signal cable. We got disconnected, and this is connect the powers. Okay, this is how we well, it's in our replacements, including this wire. So in that case, the best way to do a replacement, I would say set the screen face down. Then we can take it out. Each screws I'm using these tools. Okay, 5, 6 nut drivers, just each end. So let's set the screen face down. So I just set it up face down. As you can see, there's 2 screws on this end, 1 here on each side. So what I do is at first, I'm gonna disconnect this cable first. Okay, then I'm going to remove the screws. So I'm gonna try to remove the screw, and again, there's total 4 screws. I mean, 2 on each side. It's quite easy. As soon as let me take out this cable. Just tangle up with this cable. This cable is not unused anyway. So okay. Okay, there's 2 here too. You may not be able to see it, but yeah. And then we're gonna take it out. Tight the screw, and then 4 screw. I'm gonna remove this power, and then you just take this cable, pull the chassis, metal chassis. Oh, this one has a little bit, still have a little bit. Okay, there we go. Just took it out. Couple of things that I'm going to show you. First, we had to connect this, our wire adapter, one end to this. Get ready. The other trick I want to show you is that because the screw, this one, when you put it back, you try to get in, it's going to fail off. Okay. So the trick I use is I put it back here. I use the masking tape a little bit like this. Cover it, stick it in to screw on so they won't fail off. Okay, so let's say here. Okay, let's take a look at the space here, which is used to be an OCRT. Each end have 2 screws. So I just show you the trick. Use a masking tape to wrap up the screw so that way we put it in, it won't fall. Okay, now let's put it back this one, and just like that. Perfect. It fits perfect. So what you need to do is just push down a little bit. It's a little bit tricky. Your one hand holding the camera. Okay, this screw is on. So you just see that. That's how it works. Then you continue finish 2 and connect the power. We take a look. Finish it. You see 2 screws on each side and connect the signal cable, and then also connect the power to here. So then we're gonna try to put it back to stand it up, put the back cover, and try to test it, see what happens. Hey, I just hooked up the power, and because I don't have a machine, so I just hooked up the barcode generators. As you can see, there's only amber, a little bit amber, a little bit green. So it's actually pretty bright. And as you see, this is the old one. This is the new one. Okay. Thank you for watching.